In fact, actually, I'd go so far as to claim this is a field in which I excel. So can I suggest that you let me finish instead of interrupting again? If you just take a seat and allow me to speak, I think you'll find I don't need you to explain. I was not aware that I was giving you the impression that I don't have a clue what goes on in your head that you presume to assume that I don't know as much or more than you. I didn't ask, so why are you piping up? I never said I needed help. No, you're not being nice, you're being patronising, and I would love it if you would stop